of the housemates sort of got uncomfortable or weirded out by what they were doing. I don't think they're used to seeing two drunk people being that close with each other.
There's the time that they are not controlled.
Yeah. And then now, I think they're okay, pero I think mamaya, more...
First time kong nakita sa kanilang dalawa yun po, kuya. Kaya medyo nashock ako doon sa nakita ko.
Ilang saglit pa ay muling nag-swimming ang dalawa.
What happened to them?
They understand more than I do. They're older than I am, and they have more experience, and they're a lot wiser than I am. We were all drinking pretty hard, me included. If it's okay with Andre, and it's okay with Lou, then I'm fine with it.
First time nila yun nangyari dito.
It's my first time to Saudi.
Oh my God.
Should I stop? Should I?
Should stop them.
I want also, but I don't like. Ayokong maging masama sa kanilang dalawa kasi they adult already. They have own decision. But if it's over, I want.
Now,
Not now, later.
yeah, diba?
Kailangan ko silang pigilan kasi ayokong hayaan lang silang ganun.
Si Mary Grace ay mukhang hindi na napigilang lapitan ang dalawa.
I'm your big sister. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it while it's too early! It's too early! It's too early!
Sina Lou at Andre pumasok na sa loob ng bahay habang ang ibang housemates ay muling pinag-uusapan ang dalawa.
Everyone same opinion. I want to ask, everyone feel weird, diba? Yeah.
Kasi alam ko, hindi tama. Is there relationship?
No.
In relationship?
No pa.
Hindi pa kasi. Why they don't that?
That's, kaya
Okay.
na out of control nga sila.
Kami ni Fumia, ni Ate Grace, kami yung naka-observe na medyo nagiging touching na sa isa't isa. Sa iba siguro okay lang, pero sa akin talaga kuya, hindi po talaga ako komportable na makita yung silang ganun.
Kahit sabihin natin mag-girlfriend, boyfriend sila, pero this is not the right place.
The right place. Yeah.
Wala akong karapatan, bawalan sila kung nasa kanilang dalawa sila na bahala sila kasi matanda na sila. Pero dito kasi, iba kasi ang setup. Grabe talaga yung kiss nila.
Grabe
talaga.
talaga. I did not see that.
Siyempre kuya, nung nakita ko sila ng ganun, ako minsan sa sarili ko, parang ako yung nahiya na tingnan silang ganun, na wala akong ginawa kuya. Kasi alam ko naman na parang ako nga yung ate nila, na overflow yung pagiging emosyon nila kuya, na nakalimutan na nila yung mga ginagawa nila.
It's not bawal, pero we are...
It's rude.
Yeah, it's rude.
Because we are in family.
Yeah, and then we are living together, so we have to, yeah.
That's why for me also, I don't tolerate that because I know what is wrong and right. Although they are adult, but this is not the right place.
Yeah, they can't control
Too much.
too much.
For you, do you? Weird, you know?
Would you do that? Oh, no.
It's weird.
And then in Japan,
It's not good.
especially for example, like if for example, like this is already rude in public, and then like
even
like this is rude for Japanese.
also in Philippines.
Yeah, that's why. At first I confused. It's like a kiss is it's okay in the Philippines. I thought, pero your same feelings. So I'm understand. Honestly, gulat ako. If they do that, the outside world, it's okay for me. Pero we are living 8 people together. It's not 2 people's mundo.
I think it's better to talk with them
Tomorrow, yeah. And then
Not now.
Not now. Then the main point there is we are family. We
Yes.
should watch each other. Even though that you have your own decision or you have your own.
Yeah. Susunod! Last night, too much drink. ルーとめっちゃキスしてた。